Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, fix Steam API Call of Duty. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, fix Steam API Call of Duty. Let's start first show you the error. Two fixes. First, update the stream patch file in description. Also, don't forget to add the patch in your antivirus, otherwise game crash. After patching the game, run it. If still error, reboot PC. Download patch files from description. Second fix. Update your Net Framework and DirectX versions. Download Net Framework and DirectX from description. After that, install them one by one. Hope it'll work for you. Just repatch the Stream API after installing DirectX and Net Framework. Thanks for watching. God bless us all, Amin. Also brother and sister in Palestine, Gaza.